Another day, another story. Losing body fat can be achieved through a combination of diet and exercise. Here are some general tips that can help you lose body fat. Create a calorie deficit. To lose fat, you need to consume fewer calories than your body burns. You can create a calorie deficit by eating less, exercising more, or a combination of both. Eat a healthy and balanced diet. Make sure you eat a diet that is high in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and foods high in saturated and trans fats. Incorporate resistance training. Resistance training helps to build muscle mass, which in turn helps to burn more calories and lose fat. You can do resistance training with weights, resistance bands, or body weight exercises. Incorporate cardio exercise. Cardio exercise helps to burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio exercise per week. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and metabolism, which can make it harder to lose fat. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Remember that losing body fat takes time and consistency. It's important to create sustainable habits that you can maintain long term to achieve and maintain your goals. Thanks for watching.